Hair growth oil using ginger king, ginseng, polygonum, grape seed oil as a raw material, which promote the healthy development of hair and scalp. Hair becomes dense and supple after a few uses. Ginger germinal oil. Dip an appropriate amount of essential oil on the scalp, then massage with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes until absorbed. No need to wash your hair afterward. Ginger germinal oil can be used for hair loss after hair dye, slow hair growth, inelastic, kinky hair, hair that is easy to break, rough and unruly, not supple. Ginger germinal oil boosts hair growth within 30 days, 2 or 3 times fast speed of hair growth. Use it 2 to 3 times a day for better effect. This is a hair-thickening hair growth serum for fine hair that balances an oily scalp and increases hair volume and body as it restores nutrients to promote hair regrowth.